In this video, I will show you how to open a dispute on the PayPal app. Now, one thing that's important to bear in mind is that you can only open a dispute if the transfer that you want to open the dispute for was not sent through friends and family, because if that's the case, you cannot dispute it. So it needs to be sent through goods and services. So if that's the case, just open the PayPal app, then here go to your transactions, click see more if it's not directly there. Just find the specific transaction that you want to open a dispute for. For example, I'll click on this one. And now what you can go and do is, after opening up the specific transaction, just scroll down a bit. And then here what you want to go and do is click on report a problem. Now you will see that this transaction right here was sent through friends and family. So therefore for this specific one, I cannot open a dispute. So usually after clicking on report a problem, you can go and report a problem and open up a dispute. So it will take you to the resolution center. Now you will see an end date for when you can report a problem. So in this case, it's until December 27th. Now, if your transaction has expired the date that it says for your specific transaction, then unfortunately you cannot open a dispute anymore. So again, just go to the specific transaction, scroll down and click on report a problem, and then just tell PayPal what's going on. So now you know how to open a dispute on the PayPal app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.